In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. So the first thing we need to do is to download the Google app. Once you have the app, you can either log in with your Gmail or you can simply start using it. Once you open the Google app, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this magnifying glass. Of course, this is going to be the search bar for you to ask your question. And you're also going to have two options. You have the little microphone and this little camera right here on the right. I'm going to go ahead and tap it. And as you can see, this is going to automatically open my camera. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the image that I'm trying to search. So let's say that I really like this outfit and I want to buy it. So I'm going to focus my camera on the image and I'm going to tap on the magnifying glass. And that's it. As you see, it takes literally seconds. You're going to scroll down and it's going to show you more information first about the picture. If you want to see the products, you can also select that right here and it shows you where to buy it. In this case, this is a set from Alo Yoga and it's even showing me the link in case I want to buy it. If we go back, it's even going to show you more options in case you want to buy something similar or you want to see different options. So we have the same set but from PacSun, Ali Fashion, Urban Outfitters. So it's a really great way to also find dupes of whatever it is that you're trying to buy. And that's how easy you can use Google Lens to find something that you want to buy. I hope that helped.